Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change an Audi A6 cabin filter. First, gather your tools, which typically include a screwdriver and your new cabin filter. It's important to ensure your car is turned off and parked securely before you begin. The cabin filter housing is usually found under the glove box on the passenger side, making it easily accessible for this maintenance task. This simple replacement improves air quality. Now, let's access the filter. Begin by opening your glove box and removing any items inside to give you more space. Next, you'll need to unscrew or unclip the cover panel located directly beneath the glove box. Once the fasteners are released, gently pull down this panel. This action will reveal the cabin filter housing, preparing you for the next step in the replacement process. With the housing exposed, it's time for the replacement. Carefully slide out the old cabin filter from its slot. Pay close attention to the airflow direction arrow on the old filter, as this is crucial for proper installation. Now, take your new filter and insert it into the housing, ensuring the airflow arrow points in the correct direction, usually towards the rear of the car. This step is vital for effective filtration. You're almost done. Carefully reattach the cover panel beneath the glove box, securing it with the screws or clips you removed earlier. Make sure everything is snug and properly aligned. Finally, close your glove box. With these simple steps, you've successfully changed your Audi A6 cabin filter. You can now enjoy significantly cleaner air and improved ventilation within your vehicle's cabin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.